Gangadhar Bill. Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah. I will just connect the mic, sir.
Yes.
The mic is a cam connected.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute, sir. I will just.
Sure, sir.
Mic will go. Base में बैठो लागो सर మైక్ పెట్టు వాళ్ళకి వినపడాలి కదా ఆయన మాట్లాడితే సైలెన్స్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Your voice perfectly reaching us, sir.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. So, shall we start, or we should wait 3 to 5 minutes? Is everyone joining, or we shall start?
Students are there, sir. Around 60 students are there.
Okay. Amazing, sir. Amazing.
Are you able to share the screen?
Okay. My video is on, or My cam is on.
Sir. Sir, are you able to share your screen, sir?
Yes, sir. Please wait a minute. Huh? Please wait a minute, sir. Please wait a minute, sir.
Okay, sir. Waiting. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So he is a industry person and some company, stock market company, securities company. He will explain about how actually he does this economic industry company analysis, EIC analysis.
My screen is visible to all of you.
Sir?
My screen is visible.
Yes, yes, you are visible, sir. Visible, sir.
Yeah, yeah. So, hello, hi, good morning, everyone. Today's session topic is EIC framework, which is economy, industry, and company analysis. In EIC framework, E denotes for economy, I denotes for industry, and C for company. So, EIC, economy, industry, and company analysis. If we talk about investing approach, there are two types of investing approach. One is top-down approach, and second one is bottom-up approach. Am I audible perfectly?
Yes, sir. Somewhat. Can you be more clear, sir? More louder.
Okay. Is this better?
Yes, yes, sir. Now it's better.
Yeah. So today, in today's session, we will discuss about EIC framework. In EIC framework, E denotes to economy, I denotes to industry, and C for company. In EIC framework, we will study economy, industry, and company analysis. If we talk about investing approach, there are two types of investing approach. First one is top-down approach, and second one is bottom-up approach. I'm pretty sure you all of you listen before these two terms, but we study or we discuss all those terms one by one. In first bottom-up analysis or bottom-up approach, we first find any company which looking goods for our investing. Just like in US market, we can say Tesla, Amazon, and in Indian market, we can say Tata Motor or SRF. So if we find these company looking goods for investing, then we check industry in which the company belongs to, like Tata Motor and Tesla belongs to automobile industry, and SRF belongs to chemical industry. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
After that, we will find country outlook for country analysis or economy analysis. So in case of Tata Motor or SRF, we check India's growth for economic approach or economic analysis in bottom-up approach. So in nutshell, we can say the sequence for bottom-up analysis is First we check company, then we check industry, and after that we will find about country or economic analysis.
Can you go to slideshow, sir? Full screen.
Yeah, full screen. Yes, sir. So the sequence of bottom-up approach is company, then industry, then country, right? In top-down approach, on other side, top-down approach, we first analyze economy. First analyze economy, then country, then company, then industry, and then company. So we start with economic analysis or country analysis for our EIC framework. We'll go with the number to analyze India's growth story or the economic growth. So first is the growth in the number of universities and college. If we talk about number of universities in 1950-51, there are 27 universities, and now the number of university 1043. Isn't it massive growth? There are deep penetration in India's education sector, and you guys are the future of India. So the number also boosts our confidence in India. Next one is increased food grain production in India. You can see in 1950, India will produce 50 to 51 million metric ton food grain, and now we are producing 314 million metric ton. At the time of independence, India is depend on other country for their food grain. Now we are self-sufficient and also exporting to other countries. So this number is also looking good. Next one is electrification. At the time of independence in 1950, the number of village electrified is 3061, and now the number is 597,000 villages are electrified. Number is also shows its own story, because when we electrified villages, our student will study on night also. We establish number of industries and factories on across nearby our villages. So our production will ramp up and growth will see. So this number also boosts our confidence, and now we are 100% village electrification. Now we'll talk about hydroelectricity generation. So in 1950, 2,500 gigawatt produced by hydroelectricity, and now the number is 150,000 gigawatt. Next one is export from India to world. In 1950, we export 1.27 USD billion, and now we exporting 676 billion USD dollar. It's a 600 time massive growth since independence. It's also boost our confidence on Indian economy. Next one is highway to development. The number shows national highway length in kilometer. In 1950 to 1951, national highway length is 20,000 kilometer approx, and now we stand 140,000 kilometers. It's a 7x increase, 7-time increase in our national highway. It's boost our confidence in Indian economy, because we have massive growth in our infrastructure development. Next one is India's annual per capita income. Look at this number, because in 1950, should I continue?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Speak louder, sir. Can you increase your voice, sir? Can you increase your voice, sir?
Okay, sir. So in India's annual per capita income in 1950, it's a 265, and now 2020 to 2021 it is 1,28,829. 500 times growth since independence and sevenfold growth in last 20 years. It's not only bigger but faster also. So this number also increase our confidence in India. So isn't it you find India to the nation in which we can invest? What would you think? Should we invest in India? Hello. Sir, can you please ask the students, should we invest in India? What they are think about India's growth story, and shall we invest in India?
Sir, yeah, you can just increase your voice, sir, more clear.
Okay, sir. Am I audible clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now we go through industry analysis. For industry analysis, we check defense for industry. When we talk about defense,
Yes, sir.
When we talk about defense, Indian defense industry make in India, make for the world. Indian defense industry was import oriented, but now we are focusing on export. So defense export grew by 334% in last 5 years. India now exporting to over 75 countries due to collaborative efforts. In 2021, keeping with Atmanirbhar Bharat, 74% of contracts by Army awarded to Indian vendors. Am I audible, sir? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So defense, in defense, our prime focus shift from import to export. Defense export grew by 334% in 5 years. By Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative, 74% of contract by Indian Army were awarded by Indian vendors. Government initiative, the expenditure of defense procurement reduced by 36% in last 4 years. In 2018-19, it was 46%, and at this time, 2021-2022, it is 36%. The amazing number is defense export have increased by 13,000 crore. Government of India has set target of 1.7 lakh crore of defense production by 2025. Only after 3 years, we are having target of 1.75 lakh 1.7 lakh crore export production and 35,000 crore export. It's 3 times in 3 years. If we think about money grow in our bank, it takes 7 to 10 years, and defense export grew by 3 times in 3 years. So isn't it amazing? We should invest in defense at this point of time, because the numbers is telling the story. If we talk about defense weapons, there is a Tejas, Rafale. In missiles, there is a Akash, BrahMos, hypersonic and ballistic missiles we are having. In defense weapons, we are having INS Vikrant, INS Vishakhapatnam. For tanks, we are having Arjuna and Dhanush for tank, and we are exporting all these weapons to other country. So we first we check about country's growth story, then we check industry, and now we are going towards company analysis. For company analysis, we choose a company HAL, that is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. It's a monopoly play on India's defense aerospace. So we can say HAL is a PSU, which is only in the industry of aerospace industry. The numbers also telling the story, strong manufacturing capabilities. HAL is the India's largest defense public sector, catering the aerospace business. 80% of flying platforms in India are supported by HAL, with the capabilities of R&D, manufacturing of fixed wings, rotary wings, line replacement units, LRU, and airborne system. India intend to have 42 squadrons against the 32. The Indian Air Force is taking keen to work on it and inducting new aircrafts, and all these work done by HAL. HAL also having a strong track record over 70 years in an aeronautical company. So we can also believe on company's capability because it's operating since last 70 years. Robust revenue visibility, strong order book. Company have a strong order book pipeline to ensure long-term growth. HAL's order book currently stand for 848 billion, providing revenue visibility of 3.2 times. It's a TTM revenue. TTM is trailing 12-month revenue. 83 order book has been boosted by HAL, receiving 83 LCA, light combat aircraft. We can say Tejas and others. Order worth 480 billion. Incremental order pipeline look extremely healthy with the worth of 450 billion. So order book is strong. Company is having a strong monopoly and very large experience company having with it. Key business and growth drivers. Did you know in Atmanirbhar Bharat, government Ministry of Defense released a negative list of import and has put a place an import embargo on 310 defense item to boost indigenization and defense procurement. So Tejas have HAL have some of items in this list. We can say on negative list. So HAL take benefit from this item. Robust manufacturing infrastructure of 20 facilities in place. We can say on HAL have Bangalore complex, MIG complex, on where they are manufacturing these items. 11 R&D center in place to help indigenization of the production. HAL have R&D centers in Bengaluru, in Hyderabad, in Nasik. So they have a strong R&D center with them. But all these strong R&D or these numbers, these figures support the numbers where I am telling the number. My meaning is the financial number or financial. These are the things reflecting in the financial statement. So look at on that side. First, we take profit and loss, total income. We can check. We can see in this graph from 2015 to 2022, we are seeing growth in the total income side. We can take net profit on this account. So from 2015 to 2022, there is a increasing trend in the profit side. There you can say here, you can see here 20.78% CAGR in profit number. So when company have CAGR more than 20%, company's number will double in less than 3 years, right? In financial analysis, we can check total debt, massive reduction in debt. So it's also good for company. And work in progress continue increasing in the trend. And order book also supports company's revenue outlook. Also company's ROE, which is return on equity, also looking good, because for a shareholder perspective, we should check ROE number, and this is the 23%, which is very good because India is growing like 6 to 7%, and company's ROE is 23%. So when you should check a company, when you check a company, you should check 2 to 3 basic numbers. First one is sales or revenue. You should check sales and revenue should be growing. Second one is profit. Profit should be in growth trend, and profit should be larger growth compared to sales. So we can say it's a operating margin growing faster pace. Third one is debt. Company's debt should be company should be debt free, or it's a debt to equity ratio within 1%, within 1. So it's looking good. So and company's order book. So we can check these parameter for analyzing any company, and after that we can invest on that company. So these are the basic parameter to analyze any company. But before analyzing any company, we should check first economy or country. Then we should check industry, how industry is going, what is the growth drivers of the industry, and what is the challenges industry facing this time. After that, we are going to the company, and company should be company sales should be growing, company's profit should be growing, debt will be minimized, debt should be minimized, and company's order book should be strong. So these are the parameter to check any company. And as you know, I am a founder of Stocks Emoji, co-founder of Stocks Emoji, and Stocks Emoji help students to analyze these numbers. So you can analyze these type of numbers using Stocks Emoji. So take a look to Stocks Emoji website. Type Stocks Emoji, and you will find this page. You should sign up after signing up, you will log into the Stocks Emoji, and after logging, this page will introduce to you. In Analyze, you will click on Stock Analyzer, and it's fully free for all of you students. When you click on Analyze, this page come to you, and on this page, this is the simple Google search box, where you type a company, like we type HAL, Hindustan Aeronautic, and when you click, you will find a page where all the fundamentals of the company will represent to you. In HAL, this is the dashboard where what the company's current share trade, current price of the share, what is the market cap, 52-week high low, dividend, price to book value, price to earning, DI's stake, FI's stake, EPS. Here is the emoji analysis or emoji score. It is our fundamental and technical score. By using these score, you can find companies strong on the fundamental side or technical side. So out of 100, fundamentals stand at 91. So fundamentally companies looking strong, and on technical side it's a 38. So company on technical side, it's a looking good technical. My meaning on the technical means price trend of the company's historical price trend. Here you will check the news of the company. It's real-time news, and on here you will check the strength and weakness of the company, what's looking good and what's working and what's not working for the company. After that, here is the result highlights of quarterly result, Q on Q, 6-month, year-on-year result, and in simple statement form, you can check here what's working for the company and result. Here is the emoji trend. In emoji trend, you can find how's the emoji score is going forward. We can say, we can check prior emoji score, like in 2018, September 2018, emoji score is 86, and from there you will find emoji score is continually growing. You can check also on year-on-year basis. In 2019, it's 53, 86, 89, and 91. And you can check also on the stock price using this score. Here is the peer comparison. HL's peers, how HL's performing towards its peers. You can also find any other company from selecting here to your peer analysis. Here is the profit and loss analysis. We can say financial statement analysis, and this is the traditional financial statement analysis tabular format. So you can check here total income, total expenditure, interest, depreciation, profit and loss, and you can also check graph for any particular item. You can also do common size analysis using checking this box, common size analysis, and also variance analysis. Here you will find balance sheet analysis, right? Just like profit and loss analysis. And after that, you will find cash flow analysis, just like P&L analysis. Here you will, after that, you will find financial ratios analysis, which type of ratios, just like debt to equity ratio is in 2015 is 0.01, and now in 2022 it's 0. Sales to working capital is 0.89, and now it's going to 1.20 or 1.52. And here is the also I button. On hovering your mouse, you will check what is the ratio and what's its tell, what's its number, ratios number tell about the company. You will check here, and here you will check your corporate actions. Any is it company giving dividend, bonus, split, or any other thing. Here also called corporate actions. Here you will find annual reports, where you will click only this annual report, and you will find full annual report towards you. It's very helpful for your company analysis. Here you will find company info, where you will find about the company, company's board of directors, and company's contact number. So this is the analyzer page, from where you will deep dive on fundamental side of any company. We are also having another thing for you, that is the scanner. For a scanner, you will find, if you want to check companies which are making sales greater than 1,000 crore, so you just put an filter on that. From here you will custom query and put here sales, net sales is greater than 1,000, and run query, and you will find the result. So it's also free to you and also helpful for your company analysis or industry analysis, because you will check sectors from here, and you will check indices, NSE Nifty 50, Bank Nifty. You can select from here, and you also export this list from Excel export. So these are the very beneficial tool for you guys, for you. And we also having one more thing, which is Telegram bot. So just go to Telegram. Just go to Telegram and search stocks emoji bot. In stocks emoji bot, you will find here menu, and in menu, when you search any news for today's news, so these are the today's news on different stocks. When you search for company news, so for company news, you just put in a stock name, and you will find news. Just we are typing Reliance, and it seems there is no news available for stock from past 30 days. If you want to check stock analysis, just click on annual report or company info. When you select on company info and type a company name, this is the company info on your fingertips. So this tool also helpful for you. So this is from my side.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. We will explore. We will explore that website, and we'll be in touch with you, sir. Thank you very much.
If you have, if students have any queries or any question, please feel free and ask.
Yes, sir. They will. We will get into your mail ID and